Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your WooCommerce store with PayPal. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that we are using. If you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com, and from there this is going to open up this main page. From here at the left side of the screen you can access the plugin section, from where we can get started looking all the WooCommerce plugins we are using that we have set up our store with. So now let's go and take a look at the extensions we need to find. We are going to go to the official WooCommerce website right here, woocommerce.com, and at the top of the screen we are going to access the extensions marketplace. This is going to open up this marketplace from where we can take a look at all the extensions we can use for our store, and as you can see, one of the first ones you can see is called PayPal Payments. If you cannot see it right there, just use the search bar at the top of the screen, search for PayPal, and it's going to enable you to go ahead and access either Woo Payments that you can go ahead and integrate with PayPal, or directly use the PayPal Payments market extension. So what you can use this for is the official all-in-one checkout solution that allows you to offer PayPal, Venmo, and so much more to your customers. And to add it to your store, just click the Add to Store button right here. This is going to enable you to install the extension. Once you install it, you can go and access it and just connect it to your WooCommerce store right here from WordPress by integrating the API keys. It's going to go ahead and be listed step by step how to do it once you open it up and in the documentation, so go ahead and check it out for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.